There is not a single product that has helped me more than Revaree by Bonafide, and there's a couple things you need to know. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to show you all the physical properties. We need to chop it, we need to put it in water, we need to put it to the test 2 days. On average, it lasts 3 days for me, but you can use it more or less based on your own needs. Revaree isn't messy like other products. Note that if you do use latex condoms, you'll have to switch to non-latex. Not having an applicator is amazing. No pain there. I'm now so comfortable, so confident, and I'm no longer looking for products to fix me on skin because you need to know how this is going to treat you, and it's good. I cannot believe how much my life has changed in such a simple way over the last 6 months. The way that it simulates my natural moisture makes me so much more comfortable throughout the day. And if you see how it absorbs and holds, that's where it's different. It doesn't just wash away, it's attracting water. Hyaluronic acid is magic. I've had such nice, slippery, contained results. It's not something that melts and slips away where I need it to be. It stays put. It doesn't contain hormones or parabens. It's formulated to be used long term. It hasn't caused me a single day of discomfort or irritation. I had relief from the start, and it got even better over the next week or 2. I recommend storing it on your nightstand and putting it in at night. No need to put it in the fridge, but it is made to respond to the temperature of your body, so don't keep it in a crazy warm place. I love that I can put it in and not have to for another few